As innovation progresses, the number of drones are likely to rise, and this expectation has triggered a debate on the question of civilian privacy and security. Bearing this in mind, the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, Government of India, issued the National Drone Policy in August 2018, according to which training and pilot licenses have been made compulsory by dividing the drones according to their weight, size and flight capacity. The drone flight limit has been fixed, and now the no permission, no flying policy has been implemented. As per this policy, it has been made mandatory to register all drones on the Digital Sky platform of DGCA to be able to get flight approvals. A special device is also to be installed in all drones weighing 250 grams and above. On receiving the permission code from the DGCA, the device will light up by design and the drone will be able to fly. However, the drone motor will not start until the permission code is received. With all these regulations and safety standards in place, the future of wireless network-enabled drone communications show great potential, giving wings of progress to self-reliant India by solving the challenges of society.